Sa akin nga rin na, ikaw, alam mo mga dun sa
hello! Ay, nahiya ako. Kalive lang ako. Hello! Wow! Sobrang? Oh, thank you. Oh, wala na mukha akong ano, kagagaling ko lang galing school. Nag-exam kami sa foundation. I forgot what the course name is. It's called something foundation of concrete, reinforced concrete. Basta ganon. Tapos, exam yun, prelim exam. Tapos, hindi ako sure. Yes, I see. Rinig nyo ba ako maganda? Nasaan siya? Dito. Emmy! Ay, wait lang. May nakikita kasi ako. Yung, sabi, anong sinasabi niya? Kasi someone asked if I'm Bisaya. Dun sa isang, dun sa, someone asked if I'm Bisaya. Dun sa The Lab na live. Tapos, hindi ko rin alam. Tama ba yung sinabi ko? Basta, ang ibig kong sabihin is, nakakaintindi ako. Pero, I can only speak Bisaya, gamay lang. Pero makabalo man ko. Yung mami ko Bisaya, ako hindi ako. I mean, I guess that makes me Bisaya din. Balo man ko, oy. Sorry guys, galing kasi akong school. Parang may school air. Grabe naman. Thank you, baby ni Jackie. Ayan yung sobrang creative nyo without the edits and the fan page. Sobrang natutuwa ako. Like, sino to si Secret GF ni Sarah. Super. Tapos alam niyo, tinitignan ko lagi yun sa notifications, diba? Because you can see the mentions. So yun yung lagi kong tinitignan, yung mentions, para makita ko yung mga tinatag niyo sa akin. So, kaya nyo, hindi ko nakikita yung mga sinasabi nyo. Maangas kaya. Grabe kayo Shucks yung halaga. Wow! We have almost 5K lang. Out of all the AMSICAs, who am I most closest with? Hirap naman. I can't choose one, but I have a top 5. It's in no particular order. I like the masarap yung chicken alfredo nila. Sige. Share tayo. we're at 5K! That's crazy, man. Uy! Saying, oh yeah, my top 5 closest are, mali nga yung nasagot ko sa sa The Love Live. Basically, it's, so of course, the Sandoval family. Of course, it's Ethan Frost, Angela, Ashley, and Alex Bayan. I forgot to mention Alex. That's my bro. It's my brother from another mother. I forgot to mention him kasi we're past 5K viewers. It's crazy, man. Hello, thank you guys. So it's right now we're eating outside kasi it's my kuya's girlfriend's birthday. It's Ate Juna's birthday. Ilang taon ka na, Ate Juna? 26! May nag-gift kasi. 26 pero para siyang 18. Siya ay sobrang Latina din. Super OA. Oh, thank you guys. Jaylee or Jayfer. Ako po ay sa adaptation, Team Jayfer ako. Pero sa book, Team Javid ako. Sa real life, secret. Can I have fruity? Okay lang. Ito gusto ko yung fruity. This one. Ikaw nag-shake, mother? Ikaw nag-shake? Oo, ako. Oh, you're so sweet. Ano yung in-order ko dati? Ito, strawberry lemonade. Tama ba? Ito yung in-order ko. Strawberry lemonade. Hindi, ito yun. Ayun, strawberry yogurt pala. How are we at almost 6K? Uy, dati naglalangga ako dito. Ano lang. Swerte na ako if makuha nila nila. Cute ako sa lagay na yun. Ngayon, akong mukha akong hindi Latina. Narinig niyo ba ako? Kasi medyo shy ako maglakis ng boses.
Ay, di yan, napicturan mo. Ay, napicturan mo.
Ang kanyang boses.
Sabi niya, hindi ako makapagpahali kasi.
Yung sinasabi ko pinagalitan ako, hindi dahil sa napagalitan ako nun dahil sa stage mismo, in the mic pa, I said, sobrang, tapos sobrang, kasi pagdating ko ng backstage, sabi ng manager ko, ikaw, Sarah, pilipinan mo na yung pagkaano nga. Pero it's not naman super pagalitan man, boy. Tama ba yung sinabi ko na? Tama ba yung sinabi ko na? May nagtanong kasi kung Bisaya ko. Sabi ko, kabalo man ko mag-Bisaya. Pero, makasabot man ko gamay lang. Tama, di ba? That means, I can understand Bisaya, but I can only speak a little bit Bisaya. Tama, di ba? May nag-screen record.
Ano sabi?
Nung live ko nung nakaraan. Sabi ko, ano sinasabi niya? Mag-ask kayo ng questions, a-answer ako. Wala siya dito. Nasaan siya? Nasa puso ko. Char. Grabe yung eyebags ko. Parang hindi siya nakakalatina.
Whether you're relaxing at home or out and about, with your music mode blanket. With the premium, you can download your music and have
Opo, makasabot man ko. Gamay lang. First impression ko kay Frost, I thought he was suplado. Kasi I met him at a Boteju event for Diva. And then, he was, like, yung pwesto niya directly across from me. So, like, it's a circular table. And siguro 10 kami nandun sa table na yun. Katabi ko si Angela. And then another Diva artist on the right side. And then right across from me was Frost. And syempre, pagka-arrive ko, I made bati-bati everyone at the table. I was like, ganon. Pero Frost, he was like, dead na siya. And then later on, hindi ko rin siya nakakwentuhan kasi he left the event early. Pero nakachikahan ko yung mommy niya. So naging close ko yung mommy niya, not knowing that was his mom. Like, I just knew that she was an actress. But I didn't know that was Frost's mom. I didn't know Frost was her anak. And then, so later on, ayun, she was like, ayun lang. Naka-close ko lang yung mommy niya. And then later on for the auditions, I saw Frost again. And then he was also very suplado. He was very in his own world. Hindi ko rin siya nakachikahan nun. And then like, nakakwentuhan ko lang siya nung look test na he approached me and he was like, hey, I know you, my mom mentioned that you guys are like this. I said, yeah, we're like this. And then like, ayun, din lang kami naging close. And then I found out afterwards na lang na kaya pala siya nag-deadma is because he didn't have glasses on. Super lala ng prescription niya sa eyes. Like, super, like he also has astigmatism pala. So, wala pala siyang nakikita at all. Wala, hindi siya naka-live I can't invite him. Paano ba? I don't know how. Tell him to go live and then I'll invite him. Hindi siya hindi siya naka-live. Kiss, kiss, kiss and tell. Naunsa man ka. That's all I know really in Bisaya. And also, nahigugma ko sa imo. Oh guys, look, hindi na ako si Freya. So, malalaman yung may season 2 if makikita nyo yung may nails ako ulit. Who treats you the best in Amsecast? Well, everyone naman. Like, we all treat each other like family. except Kuya. I would have to say Angela because she's my baby. She's my sister. No, I'm not wearing my ruby red shoes. I'm wearing slippers. Wait guys, ini-invite ako ni Ram, ni Naz, mag-live, mag-co-host. Kaya lang kasi, ang ingay dito, hindi ko siya maririnig. Sorry, pasabi na lang na I would love to co-host with him. Kaya lang kasi, ang ingay dito, hindi ko siya maririnig. Next time na lang, kamo. Bisaya, not Davaoan. My mom's from Iligan. Grabe, para akong parang akong pagod na pagod. Hindi kasi galing ako school, tapos natapos kami 6 onward, like 6:30 na yata. And I was at school the entire day. And I'm like, I feel like I was assaulted at school because of the exam. Like, nawindang ako. Nag-review naman ako. Pero pagbukas ko ng test paper, ay Diyos ko, ano to? Wait, can I use Beautify here? Wag niyo ako i-judge. I'm gonna use the Beautify effect here para mag-lipstick kasi ang putla ko. Hala na, sorry talaga. Nag-i-invite siya. I would love to talaga, but I can't even hear my katabi. Sorry talaga. If I'm at home, and then he's still online. If he's still live by the time I get home. Sige. Uy, walang magsa-sign off. Ayoko. Someone said to talk to you guys like as if I'm Freya. Hindi ko man kaya. Oy. Even at school, people are like, Ate Freya, ganto ganyan. I said, no, I cannot. Kasi it needs, I need to channel Freya talaga. I need to be like in my villain mindset. Mean girl mindset, hot girl mindset. Ano lang kasi ako si Sarah lang kasi ako. No, dili man kami. I'm bawal pa kasi I have strict parents kasi, and also because ako mismo sa sarili ko, alam ko that I'm still studying and I still have a lot of things that I want to achieve before entering a relationship. So, wala po. Sobrang Latina. Lag ako. Taga Rizal ako. I was born and raised in the States. I was born in New York. And then we moved here to the Philippines when I was 9 years old. And then we used to live in Mandaluyong, but I consider myself to be like basta taga Rizal ako, pero kasi people were like wondering why I represented Mandaluyong when I joined the Miss Teen Philippines pageant, kasi diba Mandaluyong ako dun. It's just because at the time I was staying in Mandaluyong and we used to have a house, we used to have a condo in Mandaluyong, pero taga Rizal talaga ako. When we moved to the Philippines, I stayed in Rizal. Hehehe. Babasok po ako bukas, pero wala kaming classes. We just have a seminar para sa mga graduating students. Nakakahiya naman. Kahawa ko. Guys, stay hydrated. Drink water. The filter might lift because naglagay ako ng lip tint dito sa filter. So, wag nyo na lang pansin.
Spicy chicken. Beef mushroom.
Rice.
Baby back forward.
My mom's full Filipino, but my dad is Jewish American. But I also have Russian blood because my grandma is half Russian on my dad's side. Tama diba? Grandma was Russian. Yeah, my grandma's Russian. So I'm 1/4 Russian. Oo nga, naka-live din siya, si Ram. Kaya lang, gusto ko, nag-invite siya mag-co-host and I wanna co-host nga. Kaya lang, it's super maingay here. I mean, they're may katabi. Okay, so, ang dami nagtatanong pala nito. The ruby red shoes, it's not my personal shoes, it's the stylist's shoes. They provided that. And it's from SoFab. SoFab po siya. I tried searching it. It's like 1,000. Parang 1.8 yata siya. 1.8, 1.9. And then the white shoes naman, the white heels that Freya uses as casual wear and sa mga meet and greets. Yun lang yung personal ko. Yung parang Bratz shoes na white with the diamonds. I got that naman from Philia. That was also 1.8. Huwag niyong pansinin yung filter. Ang putla ko kasi kaya naglagay ako ng lipstick. Sige na nga, mag-lip-tint na nga lang ako. Para I can turn off the beautify effect. Ayan.
Ay, nakako yun. Kaya hindi na ako naging friend.
Ano, blinak kayo?
Blinak niya ako dati.
Bakit?
Ayun ko lang niya yung jowa ko.
Black mo ako.
Tapos madamay-damay pa ako dyan.
Napag-block ka pala?
Bakit? So, bongbong. Bongbong?
Sorry, I'm kind of bored kasi. And wala akong kausap dito eh. So So, naka-live ako. So, kunwari na lang magka-ano tayo, magka-video call tayo. Titigan na lang.
Baby back ribs ko.
Wow! Hindi ko kilala kung sino nagluto eh.
Strawberry yogurt.
Thank you, Kuya. Happy birthday! Incognito? Yung mom ko fan ng Incognito. May nanonood ba nito? Alin? Magaling daw ako maghawak ng cellphone pag nag-selfie. Wait lang. Slay! Sobrang Latina. Wala eh. Wala siya dito kasi hindi tayo mahal. Joke. Oh guys, I don't have any more data left. I have to end the live. Nakalagay, meron ka pang 96.68 MB sa iyong load plan. Okay, bye-bye. Pag-uwi ko na lang pag naka-wifi na ako. Good night, guys. Matulog na. May pasok pa kayo bukas. Good night. Bye-bye. Mwah, mwah, mwah. How do you end this?